Hi and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of rapid e-learning for corporate training, where efficiency meets engagement. Join us as we explore key strategies and techniques to enhance your training programs. In the fast-paced world of rapid e-learning, multimedia is a powerful ally. From engaging videos to vibrant graphics. Incorporating multimedia elements captivates learners and facilitates better information retention. Moving on to adding interactive elements, where we take training beyond passive observation. Quizzes, simulations, and branching scenarios turn learning into an active experience, encouraging participants to apply knowledge in real-world situations. Now, let's discuss guidelines for multimedia usage in e-learning. Effectiveness lies in thoughtful design. Balance is key. Guidelines help ensure that multimedia elements align with learning objectives, avoiding distractions, and enhancing the overall learning experience. Lastly, gamification elements and principles, turning training into an engaging game. Incorporating elements like points, badges, and leaderboards motivates learners, fostering a competitive yet collaborative spirit. Remember that efficiency need not sacrifice engagement. Connect with ComLab India today. We will help you create training programs that will engage and motivate your learners. Stay tuned for more such videos on rapid e-learning. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.